Hello and welcome to our channel. Today's video is all about a topic that affects millions of people worldwide, Alzheimer's disease. We'll be exploring various aspects of this disease and answering some of the most popular questions people have about it. But before we dive into the details, let me ask you something. Have you ever had a loved one diagnosed with Alzheimer's? If yes, then you know how difficult it can be to cope with this disease. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Our goal is to educate and empower you with the knowledge you need to better understand this disease and provide support for yourself or someone you care about. But before we continue, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button below. Your support motivates us to continue creating informative content that can make a difference in people's lives. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. What is Alzheimer's disease? Alzheimer's disease is a type of dementia that affects a person's memory, thinking, and behavior. It is a progressive disease that gradually gets worse over time, and currently, there is no cure for it. Scientists believe that Alzheimer's disease is caused by a combination of genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors, but the exact cause is still unknown. Some of the risk factors for Alzheimer's disease include age, family history, head injuries, and cardiovascular disease. If you or someone you know is experiencing memory loss or other symptoms, it's important to talk to a doctor to get an accurate diagnosis. What are the early signs and symptoms of Alzheimer's disease? The early signs and symptoms of Alzheimer's disease can be subtle and easy to miss, but they can also be a cause for concern. Some of the most common early signs include difficulty remembering recent events, problems with language, trouble with familiar tasks, changes in mood or behavior, and confusion about time and place. As the disease progresses, these symptoms may worsen, and a person with Alzheimer's may experience more severe memory loss, difficulty with communication, and changes in personality. If you notice any of these symptoms in yourself or a loved one, it's important to seek medical attention as soon as possible. What causes Alzheimer's disease? The exact cause of Alzheimer's disease is not yet fully understood, but researchers believe that it is caused by a combination of genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors. Studies have shown that changes in the brain, such as the accumulation of beta-amyloid plaques and tau tangles, play a role in the development of Alzheimer's disease. Other factors that may contribute to the development of the disease include inflammation, oxidative stress, and problems with blood flow to the brain. While there is no known cure for Alzheimer's disease, researchers continue to study the disease to better understand its causes and develop new treatments. Can Alzheimer's disease be prevented? While there is no guaranteed way to prevent Alzheimer's, there are several lifestyle changes that may help reduce the risk of developing the disease. One of the most important factors is staying physically active, as exercise has been shown to improve brain health and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Additionally, a healthy diet, particularly one that is rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, may also help lower the risk of developing Alzheimer's. Other factors that may be beneficial include getting enough sleep, managing stress, and staying socially engaged. It's important to note that while these lifestyle changes may help reduce the risk of Alzheimer's, they are not foolproof and cannot guarantee that the disease will not develop. However, incorporating healthy habits into your daily routine can have numerous other benefits for overall health and well-being. What are the warning signs of Alzheimer's disease? The early warning signs of Alzheimer's can be subtle and may include forgetting recent events, misplacing items, and having difficulty with everyday tasks. As the disease progresses, symptoms may worsen and include difficulty with language, disorientation, and changes in mood and personality. It's important to note that experiencing these symptoms does not necessarily mean you have Alzheimer's disease, as they can be caused by other conditions as well. However, if you or a loved one are experiencing any of these warning signs, it's important to speak with a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis. Early detection and treatment can help slow the progression of Alzheimer's and improve quality of life for those affected by the disease. In our next video, we will discuss the different stages of Alzheimer's and what to expect as the disease progresses. So, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to show your support for our channel. What are the available treatments and therapies for Alzheimer's disease? While there is currently no cure for Alzheimer's disease, there are treatments and therapies available that can help manage symptoms and improve quality of life for individuals and their families. Medications such as cholinesterase inhibitors and memantine can help improve cognitive function and manage symptoms such as memory loss and confusion. These medications work by regulating the levels of certain chemicals in the brain that are involved in cognitive function. In addition to medication, non-drug therapies such as cognitive stimulation and physical exercise can also be beneficial for individuals with Alzheimer's. Cognitive stimulation activities such as puzzles and games can help maintain cognitive function, while physical exercise can improve mood, balance, and overall physical health. Caregiver support and education is also an important part of managing Alzheimer's disease. Support groups and counseling can provide emotional support and practical advice for individuals and families coping with the disease. While there is no single treatment or therapy that can cure Alzheimer's disease, a combination of approaches tailored to each individual's needs can help manage symptoms and improve quality of life. So, maybe you are asking that. What are the latest advancements in Alzheimer's research? Alzheimer's disease is a complex condition, and researchers are continually exploring new ways to understand and treat it. One exciting area of research is the use of biomarkers, which are measurable indicators of the disease that can be detected in blood, cerebrospinal fluid, and even through brain imaging. By identifying and tracking these biomarkers, researchers hope to better understand the underlying causes of Alzheimer's disease and develop more effective treatments. Other areas of research focus on gene therapies, immunotherapies, and novel drug treatments. One promising approach is the use of monoclonal antibodies, which are designed to target and remove harmful proteins in the brain that contribute to Alzheimer's disease. These drugs have shown promising results in early clinical trials and are being further developed and tested. In addition to new treatments, researchers are also working to develop new diagnostic tools and screening methods that can help identify Alzheimer's disease earlier, when treatments are likely to be more effective. As research in Alzheimer's disease continues to progress, it offers hope for individuals and families affected by the disease. It's important to stay informed about the latest advancements in research, and to support organizations and researchers working towards a cure. In conclusion, Alzheimer's disease is a devastating condition that affects millions of people worldwide. While there is currently no cure for Alzheimer's, there are steps we can take to reduce our risk of developing this disease, such as staying mentally and physically active, eating a healthy diet, and getting enough sleep. It is important that we continue to raise awareness about Alzheimer's disease and support research efforts to find effective treatments and ultimately a cure. By subscribing to our channel, you can stay informed about the latest developments in Alzheimer's research and learn more about how you can reduce your risk of developing this disease. So, if you found this video informative and helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing this video with your friends and family. Together, we can work towards a future where Alzheimer's is no longer a threat to our loved ones and communities.